everyone, welcome to Amore Prime School, and today we have a big event in primary. It's about National Sports Day, and in this year we have a team, Gelanggang Semangat Pemenang, and in here we have Miss Irene, yeah, and she is a judges for gymnastics today. And hello, Miss Irene.
Hi.
So what is your opinion about National Sports Day we celebrate today?
Well, actually for me, celebrating National Sports Day here in Indonesia, especially here in Amore Prime School, is very, very important. It's very, very special because it actually develops the sense of well-being of our students, not only as an individual, but also as a team. So therefore, they can collaborate, they can cooperate, and there is a sense of responsibility.
Sini kita juga sudah ada Mr. Roni bersama kita di sini yang merupakan juri dalam senam untuk tahun ini. Halo Mr. Roni, bagaimana menurut Mr. Roni tentang kegiatan yang dilaksanakan di Amore Prime School?
Kegiatan lomba senam hari ini ya. Sport itu punya bayangan namanya sportif. Jadi menurut saya kegiatan yang dilakukan hari ini terutama mempertandingkan senam itu adalah cara untuk menjunjung tinggi nilai sportivitas dalam diri anak. Selain itu apa yang saya lihat dari kegiatan hari ini adalah bagaimana anak-anak memupuk kekompakan, keseragaman di dalam kelas terutama, dan bagi saya ini adalah basis dari terbentuknya suatu komunitas yang baik.
Hello, my name is Emily and I'm from P6B. Today, the whole primary between P5 and P6 did National Sport Day. What we did was senam that we learned from Mr. Sufi. Hello everyone, my name is Alyssa. I'm from P5P. Today was National Sports Day, as you can see. Now, what I like about this is I got to learn new things like senam, and I really like this.
Good morning everyone, my name is Daniel Jordan Johannes. I'm from primary P4, class P4B. About my opinion, I feel great and I feel happy too.
Hello,
Today I just did the competition for the National Sports Day today. And today I feel really happy because I get to do the competition of class, get to competition like P1, P3, P2, and lots of other classes.
What do you expect? You see our students, they have a good spirit when they like gymnastics. So what do you expect from the next year?
Well, actually, basing on their performance this year, it's very impressive. So for me, I would rather expect maybe not better, but maybe more creative. Not that they are not creative now, but there is always a room for improvement and always a room to become the best. That is from better to the best.
Menurut saya olahraga punya impact yang tidak saja berkaitan dengan fisik ya, tetapi karena pesan dan ada nilai kehidupan yang terkandung di dalam aktivitas olahraga itu, maka harapan saya ke depan saya pikir kegiatan olahraga ini perlu ditingkatkan, dan dari olahraga harapan saya kita sebagai lembaga pendidikan dalam hal ini Amore Prime School menjadi wadah untuk membentuk anak-anak yang menjunjung tinggi nilai sportivitas, menjunjung tinggi nilai kedisiplinan, menjunjung tinggi nilai kejujuran, yang sebagaimana hal-hal itulah yang terkandung di dalam kata sport itu sendiri.
what I expect for the future, for the next year, for the national sport, that we will be able to learn many more sports that we can do at National Sport Day. Well, I expect in the future that there will be more things I can check and learn.
But my expectations for the next year, I want more like a badminton, basket, or like soccer. I expect that there would be sports like football, badminton, tennis, basketball. I hope next year we can just not do gymnastics but other sports.